If you are one of the lucky ones that has managed to get a PlayStation 5, you may be looking to upgrade your gaming experience by getting a new TV that will showcase what this next-gen console can do. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to help you decide if the Samsung S95B, the QD OLED, is the best TV for your PlayStation 5. The PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X are the latest gaming systems, and you're wondering if this new TV is the best TV to play your games on. So let's dive into this. In a moment, I'm going to show you some sample footage of gaming on this TV. But first, I want to give you some helpful info on what to look for when shopping for a new TV for these new gaming systems. When shopping for a new TV, you will want to pay attention to 4 key features. And these include 4K resolution, 120 frames per second, a variable refresh rate, and HDR. This particular model has all of that. It can be overwhelming when you go TV shopping with a wide variety of TVs that are affordable and really expensive. But the fact of the matter is, these new gaming consoles in their early days are not going to really need all those features in your high-end TVs. Developers need time to harness all the potential of these machines, along with producing games that will drive the features to their fullest. So don't worry too much about spending a ton of money on a flagship TV when you can buy one that's a little bit cheaper that will perform just as well. Now, I can go into all the specs that are sometimes way over people's heads when it comes to this TV, but seeing is believing. So here is some sample footage of how this TV does with gaming. Now that's just a little sample of what this TV can do. Make sure that when you are shopping for one, you look for those 4 features that I mentioned previously. If you like this TV, I'll have a link in the description down below of where you can get it. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.